What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Hong once again, and you're probably wondering why I renamed the channel to Wild Child, but that's just because I actually named my Jeep Wild Child. So that was the reason why. But for those who are new to the channel, my name is Hong again, and I do all sorts of videos from maintenance to DIY stuff to overlanding and product reviews. So, again, welcome. In today's video, it's going to be hopefully a short video. It's going to be one of those quick maintenance, quick fix videos. As you can see, one side is not working. My marker lights are not working, and my fog lights, the backlight's not working. And I've pretty much scoured the internet the whole week and figure out what the problem is. So but let me show you what is wrong. As you can see, the marker light, the bulb is actually working, so it's not blown out. So it does work, it's just it doesn't stay on. And again, the fog light, backlight is not working as well. So we are going to get that fixed. Let me show you the fog lights as well. Right, there you go. The fog light does work as well. So we're going to get this fixed. It's a pretty easy fix, so it shouldn't take too long. So let me just turn this off. So the fix is pretty simple, actually. It just took me a while to find it on the internet because it just had to be very specific with the wording, and then I found it. Couldn't find anything on YouTube, so that's why I'm just gonna make a quick video of this fix here. And let me just put it on you to open the hood. So the fix is just a fuse, a blown fuse. So each side has a fuse for itself. So just gonna go to the fuse box. I already opened it, so hence I know what it is. So what we are looking at is for M17 and M18. So M18 is the right passenger side parking tail light, run light, and all that. And M17 is the left tail lights, parking lights, and all that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna remove it because I'm pretty sure it's blown. So this right here is M17, and then this is M18 right here. So I'm just gonna pop that out, squeeze it. All right, and let me just put that down here, and hopefully this picks up. Oh no, let's see. There you go. As you can see, it is blown. There's no connection right there. Right, you can see that. So this is a 15 amp fuse, and I'm just gonna go to my trusty box of fuses, which I picked up from Amazon, which came in today, or just maybe like 10 minutes ago. Alright, so we need a 15. So this is light blue or turquoise, whatever you want to call it. It's 15. Let's see, this is hard to see. Yeah, 15. Let's pop this guy over here. 15. Back in here, this little spot. There we go. So it's in. Let's see if it works. Voila, there you go. the marker light is working now, and the backlit fog light is also working. Let's see if it works for the signal. Just make sure I got everything working, and it should be blinking. And there you go. So yeah, that's the fix for this I guess broken or a dead marker light. If you ever encounter it, the reason that this happened was I had a bad side marker light. Now let me figure out where did I throw it. I had to take it out. So yeah, this guy was rusting out inside, and it was actually fogging up, so that caused the fuse to pop. I'm not sure why and how, but yeah, that is the reason. So yeah, I'm not gonna use this, even though I have extras. Probably gonna replace these with this side marker light. Sometime this weekend I'm gonna have it right here. Actually, I'm gonna make a bracket, I'm gonna pop it on here, and then have it wired down into the inside there. But yeah, that is the fix, guys. Pretty simple. While I have you here, I might as well fix my heated seats. My heated seats are not working, and same problem. I just found out when I tried to use the heated seats that wasn't really working, and obviously I wasn't using it throughout the summer, right? So, let's see, the fuse for that is 222. I think it's M8. Yeah, M8 is the heated seats for the front. So that is right here, this guy right here. Let me just get in there. So as you can see, it also popped. Not sure when this popped, but it's gone. So this is a 20 amp fuse. Just need to find another yellow right here. This is a good one. And just gonna pop it in to M8 up here. Yeah, like that. And that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna make you guys watch me test the heated seats, but yeah. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. So if you guys encounter, a dead marker light, a dead marker or dead blinker that's not working, and it works if you turn on your signal, check out the fuse. It's M18 for the left, and M17 for the left, and M18 for the right on the fuse box. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit like, subscribe for future videos, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao.